Hey guys, here again, and this time is going to be a short explanation video on resistance trading. And resistance trading is a little bit more complex, a little harder to catch, but at the same time, it's pretty simple. It's basically when you're following a short trend market on the downward side of things. So as you can see, I drew a trend line. Obviously, you can see it's doing the downward trend level here. Now, with downward trend marketing trading, your resistance level support it's a little bit different to catch. They're not kind of long-term upward trends to hit a level back down to the downward side like you saw in the support trading video. They're kind of little staggering movements, but it still indicates, okay, we're hitting a lot of resistance. Like this is still going to go down. Starting from here at the top of the level at its high at 147.979 on GBP JPY. I don't know why I keep messing that up. Um, on the hourly chart at its high of that level of 147.963, you see a little consolidation happens and then boom, it breaks. Now it's time to say, okay, it's starting to go down. As it comes up, it starts its first resistance level right here. As you can see, it hits a level right here. This was a little like where it could be in the support level, but like I said, this I probably would have waited to trade this, but as you can see, it breaks down, and then boom, now it comes back up. Now it's showing, okay, around this area is going to be some resistance. As you can see, it came up and it's staggering, it's staggering, it's staggering. On this candle right here, it came all the way up high, but it closed down here. It came up high, hit around this level again, staggered down. All right, and it's just slowly staggering down, creating new resistance levels. So we pretty much know this is a strong structure area right here for resistance levels, right? So then it breaks, boom, comes up, right? Now it falls all the way down. Now it ends up creating a support level. Now this is going to be a strong support level for a while. Right, as it goes up, it comes up. Now just because it creates two support levels, right, does not mean it is going in an upward trend. Follow the trend, wait for a huge spike in the market going up, and then trade it back down. Okay, do not trade up thinking, okay, hit it once, hit it twice, and you're still in a downward trend market and think it's gonna come up and then you're gonna start going back up. And that's not true. So just be patient. Trading takes time. Trading takes patience. You know, sometimes you have to trade the same day. Sometimes you don't trade at all. Just wait for it to hit levels again. Wait till it gets back up here. What happened? Gets back up to this level right here, this support, this resistance level. This becomes a resistance. Why? Because it was a support. What happened? It broke it. Like it feel like same for support. If this was a support level and it broke it, this becomes resistance. So it's just reversed. This was the support level, it broke the support level, so now this area is a resistance level, right? And what happens if you kind of look over to the right? You know, you always find answers when you look over to the right. Always look over to the left or right. You always find answers. Okay, so you see this area right here. This is the resistance level. So you see it, boom, it hits it, can't break it. It breaks it a little, but consolidates back down. And then it's creating small resistance levels. And next thing you know, it's shortly coming down again. And then what happened? It comes back up, hits it, it breaks previous resistance just a little bit, but then consolidates. And then it comes back up, and then boom, it consolidates all the way down here to create a bottom out level. Now, in another video, I'll get on RSIs and indicators to tell you, you know, when to, you know, scalp trade for all my day traders in my group. But that's for another video at another time. This is just resistance trading right here. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to understand. Just follow the trend. Don't ever try to reverse the trend. It's very difficult to reverse the trend trade. You can lose a lot of money trying to reverse a trend trade. Just keep it simple and trade the trend. Okay, if it's going in a downward trend, wait till it rises and trade the pullback. Okay, same for support. Wait till it falls and trade the support going back up. Always follow the trend. Do not trade against the trend. Most of the time, 98% of traders lose a lot of money trying to trade against the trend. So follow the trend. Be patient. Just because it's not happening now, just because nothing's happening, don't mean you have to trade. For example, if I was to zoom in, right, click on this level, and we just zoomed in on this, right here. This level right here. Like that's a 3 hour massive time right here, right? A lot of people want to trade that, but don't. I mean, it's not even going up. It's only going up about 2 or 3 pips, 2 to 3 pips at a time. You know, I mean, like maybe yeah, about 5 6 pips at a time at most. You don't have to trade during that time. Wait till something happens and then long term to trade down. Okay, that's how you should do it. And always, longer trade is better than anything. Hour trading, you can still scalp in an hour trade, so I definitely would do that. Okay, like I said, this is pretty much your resistance video. Like I said, resistance is when a level rises, it hits a certain market in the price level on the charts, and it refuses to break it, or it's having a hard time breaking it, or breaks around, or it's having a hard time breaking around that area. So it tends to indicate the chart is still going down in a trending market. Okay, I hope that was very understandable, and see you guys later.